We're at day 2.
Day 2.
Friday.
Yeah, May 24th. We are we're heading to Animal Kingdom right now. Start the day off there. We got fun shirts on today.
Yeah, I'm sporting Captain Marvel.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna try to ride. We'll see if we can get on a Flight of Passage. If not, there's some new Pandora pins we wanted to get, and this way we'll hit all 4 parks this trip. But we'll actually do 3 parks today, so we got a busy day.
All right, let's go. Flight of Passage. We'll see. I don't know. Depends how long the wait is.
Great. Now let's go over how all this works. Like I said before, you're going to be matched to these things called avatars, which look a lot like the Na'vi.
Alright, travelers, once your items are all stowed away properly, go ahead and have a seat on your lead chair. Slide your hips all the way forward as far as they can go. Put your stomach up on that front chest pad and keep it there. Restraints are coming up now.
Restraints activated.
Just rode Flight of Passage. Now we're gonna go to the, how'd you say it, Lauren?
The Tusker House for a breakfast buffet with Safari Donald. I'm excited.
Yeah, we get a photo with Donald and Daisy, right?
Yeah, I know they were the 2 I wanted to get photos with this trip, and I thought we were gonna have to wait till tonight at when we went back to Hollywood Studios, but we're gonna go now.
Time for breakfast / brunch.
3, 2, 1. 1.
We're leaving Animal Kingdom right now. Lauren's here. We ate at the...
No, Mike left me at Animal Kingdom.
We ate at the Tusker House. I'm saying it right now?
Yeah, it was nice. We met Donald and Goofy, Daisy. Mickey came in very in the beginning, so like we didn't have a lot of time with him.
Yeah, it was good.
But yeah, the food was good. Yeah, it might have worked out better if we'd gone like later, because they started bringing out the lunch food when we were leaving.
Yeah, switched over. We got kind of the lunch desserts.
Yeah, they had like a turtle brownie thing that was good, but it was nice. And now we're gonna go to the Polynesian Resort, hang out for a little bit, check out their stores.
Yeah, and we're gonna open up some pins while we're there that we just got in Pandora, the new box set. So yeah, we'll see how many we have to trade away. Just got the snack. We're out on the deck of Trader Sam's. It doesn't open until 3, so we're hanging out. Beautiful waterfall behind us, and we got a couple pins to open up. We got the new mystery pin collection from Pandora.
We have 4 boxes.
Yeah, we got 4 boxes. It's 8 pins total.
So just hoping we complete it.
We're going to complete the whole set. So these are just open edition, nothing. They're just new. So I'll go first.
Oh. Okay.
Alright. First bag. Not even gonna feel it because they have like different shapes, so I'm not even gonna feel it. I'm just gonna right off the rip.
Ooh.
Okay, here we go. First one is the best one because we don't have any of these yet. Alright.
Oh, is that the one you wanted?
Yeah, it was one of them. Yeah, I wanted the I don't want to say it.
We liked that one.
So here's this guy.
Like chrome.
Yeah. Cool. So one down, one to go. Again, best box, first box, no dupes. All right. Let's see. We're not even saying what we want. We just want good ones. All right. Let's see what this one is. Oh, it's a bad rip. It's round one too.
And it is.
Oh, the face.
Ooh, I like it though. I wasn't sure if I would, but it's got like glitter in it. Okay, my turn. Here we go. Just right, I don't know. You don't do right off the rip anymore, right? It's only on the first one?
Yeah.
So I got, uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Well, I got the face.
All right, we could
same
pull
box.
for a different box. So it's
Yeah.
not, the whole thing's not this.
Uh-oh.
No, no.
No, it's different.
Oh, it is different.
Yeah. I got, this one is the Pandora Night Tours.
Oh,
Ooh.
that's a good one. Yeah,
You gotta put your hand behind it.
I guess.
Mm,
And
okay.
oh, good.
Wow.
All
So
right.
those are cool.
So we got 2 boxes, 1 dupe so far. So let's keep the trend going where they're good. All right, box number 2.
And we do have a 5th box, but I'm
Right.
giving it to Ryan.
It's shaped differently, so
Ooh.
we'll see. I got the one I wanted.
Ooh. Explore Coastal.
Yeah,
Oh, that is nice.
dude, that's when the shark comes out of the wave.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right.
Cool, cool.
All right, so we're doing all right so far. Let's see this guy. All right. Ooh.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, this
Another
one's nice.
different one.
This is a good one.
Cool.
All right.
Well, at least you got 4 different ones.
I got 4 different ones. That's right. Not in frame at all. I'm sorry.
And, ooh, a different one than you got.
What?
We got the green one, Pandora, a world like no other.
That's kind of cool.
Yeah,
It's a cool shape.
it is. And then,
All right, last one.
this one feels different.
No dupes. No dupes. No dupes.
It is. Oh, Night Tours.
We got 2 night tours. Wah wah wah.
Yeah. Well, luckily I have a 3rd box that Ryan's gonna get, so if he wants this one, which I think he would like, and maybe wouldn't want something else, I can take it.
Got
Yeah, how
we
many
got
of
1,
them do we
2,
get?
3, 4, 5, 6 of the 8.
All right. Here we go!
Oh yeah.
Now we're really moving.
Yes.
Woo! It's. Do we have any steering?
Yeah, a little bit. Maybe, no, yeah, maybe, no.
So this just reopened earlier this week because they tore up part of the track for Tron. They're building the Tron coaster. Oh,
No. Hairpin turn.
well, at least we're gonna get to see some of this construction.
Yeah, you can slow down. Yeah, you can really slow down.
Space Mountain. And yeah, we're coming to a stop. That was it.
That wasn't bad.
No, it was fun.
That was less bouncy than it was last time.
Yeah.
New Mickey donut. Taking the monorail to Epcot.
Coming up behind Spaceship Earth is Interventions. Inside this hands-on area, you can explore and interact with the ever-changing technologies and products for everyday living in the near future.
At this point, each civilization has its own form of writing, which none of the others can understand. But the Phoenicians, who trade with all of them, have a solution. They create a simple common alphabet, adaptable to most languages. Remember how easy it was to learn your ABCs? Thank the Phoenicians. They invented them.
So I decided to retrace the steps of the Star Wars half marathon Lauren and I did, walking from Epcot to Disney Hollywood Studios. Okay, quick update. According to my watch, I'm about a mile in. I don't remember it being this far when I ran it, but this was the end of the race, so it's a nice walk. Alright, I'm a little sweaty, but I made it to Disney Hollywood Studios. It was about 1.7 miles. Not too bad. It took me right around half an hour.
(1939). The Hollywood Tower Hotel was a star, a beacon for the show business elite. Until 5 people stepped through the door of an elevator and into a nightmare. Now that door has opened once again. For you.
Chinese theater for Mickey's premiere. This gala is sure to be the talk of the town, as every star in Hollywood has gathered to see Mickey's latest sensational picture. Just hear those people cheer. What do you mean? Forky!
Hey there, Mickey bar, please. Thank you.
Good night. This is the best.
We'll be back. Oh, it's really dark. That's okay.
Uh-oh. Okay, so we started our Disney after hours Hollywood Studios Adventure. We watched the animation thingy on the Chinese theater. I don't know the official name. And then we rode Tower of Terror. That was really fun.
That was fun.
It was a good group, and the bellhop was really funny in the beginning.
Yeah, we'll ride that again. And
then we jumped over to
Rock and Roller Coaster.
And then we got
had
our...
a 5-minute wait. It was
yeah,
awesome.
it was great. And then now we're eating our first Mickey bars.
Free Mickey bars.
And water.
And waters.
And yeah, and then I guess we'll probably head back to Toy Story.
Yeah,
Bye.
it's gonna be fun. It's like the night of first open.